find the eccentricity of the ellipse. Eccentricity of the ellipse. X squared by 16, y squared by 9 equal to 1. Third bit, 25 x squared plus 4y squared equal to 100. Listen, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. A square value 16, a value 4, b square value 9, b value 3, a greater than b. In each problem, observe first that point. A is greater than b or a is less than b. Suppose for this example, 25 x square by 100, 4y square by 100, 100 by 100. We want equal to 1. So x square by 4, y square by 25 equal to 1. A square value 4, a value 2, b square value 25, b value 5. In this problem, a less than b. Listen, in this problem, a greater than, so a square minus b square by a square. This is the formula. In this one, b is the greater value. E equal to b square minus a square by b square. Observe these two formulas. A greater than b, a square minus b square by a square. B greater than a, b square minus a square by b square. Observe these two formulas. Substitute the values. Under root a square value 16 minus 9 by 16, 7 by 16, root 7 by 4. Under root 25 minus 4 by 25, 21 by 25, root to 21 by 5. Length of the minor axis. Length of the lattice rectum is half of its minor axis. Major axis length is 2a. Length of the minor axis 2b. Half of minor axis. Listen. In all cases, we apply a greater than b formulas. Length of the lattice rectum. Listen. 2b square by a. First listen. Half into 2b. 2 cancel. b cancel. By cross multiplication, 2b equal to a. We want eccentricity. Listen carefully. The relation between a, b and e. B square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. This is the most important formula. The relation between a, b and e. b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square. Listen. Squaring on both sides. 4b square equal to a square. Substitute b square formula. 4 into b square value. A square into 1 minus e square equal to a square. A square cancel. 1 minus e square. 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4. E square. 4 LCM. 4 minus 1 equal to e square. E square value 3 by 4. E value root 3 by 4. That is root 3 by 2. Length of the latus rectum is equal to half of its major axis. Its major axis. Rectum half of minor axis. In this problem, half of its major axis, that is 2a. So length of the latus rectum half into 2a. 2 cancel. By cross multiplication, 2b square equal to a square. Substitute b square formula. 2 into a square into 1 minus e square equal to a square. A square cancel. 1 minus e square equal to 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2 equal to e square. 2 LCM. 2 minus 1. E square equal to 1 by 2. So E value 1 by root 2. The equation of the ellipse whose foci 0, plus or minus 3 and eccentricity 3 by 4. First listen carefully. Given focus for this parabola, this ellipse, focus is plus or minus AE, 0. But given 0, plus or minus E. So given ellipse is this one. This is A less than B ellipse. A less than B ellipse. So its focus is 0, plus or minus BE. This is A greater than B. This is A less than B. Plus or minus AE, 0. 0, plus or minus BE. This is the relation between ABE for this condition. Suppose given ellipse is A less than B ellipse. So this formula becomes to A square equal to B square into 1 minus E square. So we apply this formula in this problem. Once again, given focus is 0 comma plus or minus BE. So BE value 3. BE value 3. Given E equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Substitute this value. B into 3 by 4 equal to 3. 3 cancel. B value 4. B value 4. That implies B square value 16. Next we want A value or A square value. We know that A square equal to B square into 1 minus E square. B square value 16. 1 minus E square value 9 by 16. 16 LCM. 16 minus 9. 16 cancel. So A square value 7. A square value 7. Last step. Therefore, equation of the ellipse is equation of the ellipse is x square by A square plus y square by B square equal to 1. X square by 7, y square by 16 equal to 1. 36, y square by 9 equal to 1. A square value 36. A value 6. B square value 9. B value 3. And A greater than B. Listen. Given question is P plus S dash P. P is any point on the ellipse. So, if A greater than B, SP plus S dash P equal to 2A. Suppose A less than B, note. If A less than B, SP plus S dash P equal to 2B. So write the formula. Therefore, SP A value 6, 12. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum of x square by 64 y square by 36 equal to 1. A square value 64, A value h, B square value 36, B value 6, A greater than B. Therefore, length of the lattice rectum, length of the lattice rectum LL dash equal to 2b square by a, 2b square by a, 2 into b square value 36 by a value h, 72 by h, 9 times cancel, 2b square by h, a less than b, L dash equal to 2a square by b,